What's going on, everybody, and welcome to Let's Talk Money. I'm Nikolay Timoshchuk Jr. and today I'm going to be talking about my plan to hit 250,000 subscribers in 1 year. Yes, is that a huge goal? Absolutely. Is it stressing me out a little bit? Here and there, yes it is. But guess what? If I put my mind to it, I know that I can do it. If I do all the right things, I know that I can make it happen. All I have to do is keep on going and keep on going. But I'm going to lay out my plan. This video is really for me to hold myself accountable, to keep myself in this place of understanding that I told myself I was going to do something. And if I don't hit 250,000 subscribers in 1 year, then I know that I did everything along the way that I possibly could do. And then I couldn't control the other outcome. I couldn't control the other side. But I will make sure that inside of me, I'll do everything in my power to make this happen if it's a possibility. I believe I can do it. I know with awesome viewers watching these videos, I know we can also do it. So I'm just gonna lay out my plan on what I think I need to do to make sure to hit 250,000 subscribers in 1 year on this amazing channel that's already growing at a rapid rate for me. So one of the first things that I'm actually gonna focus on is engaging with the community that we continue to grow. A lot of times it gets really hectic when a ton of comments start coming in. You can't really get back to everything. You have a life as well. You're trying to live life in real life, and then you're trying to live life on the camera and on a keyboard, and you're actually doing so many different things at the same time. If you can stay consistent with your community and actually respond to people and grow relationships with people that are actually watching these videos, it helps so much to do that. It actually starts growing the community more than one can imagine. So that's going to be one of the things that I really focus on, where I'm going to be extremely honed in on, so I can actually grow this community to a community that cares about me and a community that I care about as well on the other end. I don't want this to be a one-way street. I want this to be a healthy relationship. I want this to be a give and take, and then also a give and take. I don't want to just give, and I don't want y'all to just give. I want this to be healthy, and I want it to be a two-way street for sure. Now, the second thing that I'm really going to focus on is staying consistent. It is very easy to get tired, to get, just in a mood and be like, I'm not filming a video today. I'm not going to post. And honestly, right now, I did not want to make a video, and I was like, I don't know if I want to do this. I'm so tired from work and other things that I'm doing. But guess what? This is important to me. You have to stay consistent. You have to make a schedule, and you have to understand that you told yourself you were going to do something, and you have to stick to that script. I know, hey, do I get tired? Do I get sleepy? Am I like, no, I don't feel like doing this anymore? Absolutely. But as long as I stay consistent, as long as I tell myself I'm going to do something and then actually live it out, then I know I can be successful. If I start giving up on myself before I even get started, why even start doing something? Why start this channel in the first place? So as long as I stay consistent, I know I can reach my ultimate goal of 250,000 subscribers in 1 year. Now, I will have to ask you before I move on, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell, turn on your post notifications, make sure you hit that like button, that share button, and drop a comment below and let me know if you actually subscribed. I want to know who I'm dealing with, who's watching these videos, and who is actually sitting behind that keyboard. I really want to get to know y'all out there, so go ahead and do me that favor, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment below. Now, the third thing that I have to do is stay motivated. It is so easy to get caught up in only seeing one subscriber a day happen, or a couple comments on a video, or not that many views, and be like, this really sucks. But as long as I stay motivated and realize that this is something I started doing because I love it to the core of my heart, or wherever the deepest part of me is, this is something that motivates me. This is something that keeps me accountable. This is something that actually helps me in my life as well when I'm putting out this knowledge, because it makes me refresh and it helps educate me at the same time. So as long as I can stay motivated, as long as I can continue to keep myself on track with enough motivation, that's where I really need to focus so that I can become successful on this channel. It helps so much to be able to, set those things in place and just to keep going and going and going, because the easy thing is to give up. The amazing thing is to keep going and grow this channel as much as we possibly can. And the fourth thing that I'm going to focus on is staying grateful. Even when I'm going through this entire process, when I'm building one subscriber at a time, when I'm building one comment at a time, one like at a time, one view on a video at a time, I still need to be grateful. If I start taking all of this for granted, it's like when you have a person in your life and you love them so much, and then you get used to them and you're like, I'm not sure if I like them, and then you lose them and you're like, no, I want them back so bad. Same idea here. Staying grateful for that one subscriber, that one comment, that one like, whatever it is, making sure that I appreciate it to the bottom of my heart and know that I will gain another one and gain another one, and being grateful for what I do have and not always looking forward to what I'm going to get, because then the moment that I'm living in that present moment, that means I'm not grateful for it. So as long as I have a grateful heart and a grateful mindset for the subscribers and the comments and the likes and the views that I do have, I'll be able to continue to grow and grow and grow. And then one day when that 250,000 subscribers hits, I'm going to be feeling like I'm on the moon. And the fifth thing that I'm gonna make sure I focus on is staying humble. And that goes for anything in life, but especially when you're dealing with YouTube, when you're dealing with putting out content, when you're dealing with being able to, grow a following or a community or whatever you want to call it. People can let that get to their head. And then all of a sudden they're like, hey, you can't tell me nothing. This is what I said. This is what I do. I don't care what y'all say anymore. I did this. This is me, me, me. Well, you all of a sudden forget that it's not me that made you, but it's, your subscribers, the supporters, the people that, come every single day to watch a video, or every week, whenever it is, the people that drop comments, the likes, whatever. This is not all about the person behind the camera. This is about the people that support the person behind the camera. So staying humble is something that I always try to do in my life, because it lets you grow and it lets you meet people and it lets you do things that you would have never done if you had way too much confidence in the world. If you were just, full of ego and you're like, hey, don't talk to me. I'm this person. I'm that person. Well, guess what? Being that type of person, first of all, is very ugly. And second of all, it won't get you anywhere in life unless you want to feel terrible all the time. So staying humble and growing these subscribers to a community and a family that's going to grow to 250 and beyond. But this is my goal for 1 year. This is what I want to do. And this is what I really have on my heart to be able to accomplish. But staying humble along that process will be very important to me. Now, like I said when I started the video, this is a video for me. This is a video that I wanted to post so that I know in 1 year when I check this video, when it's sitting at 1 million views, how did I get to this point in my life? How did I reach this many subscribers? Well, it's all about manifestation. It's all about speaking it into existence and then putting the work behind it. A lot of people think things just happen in life, and that is absolutely not true. It doesn't just happen. You have to work for it. And I will work on that process. I will fall in love with that process. I will do the things necessary to make sure that I do reach my goals. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm putting this out there so that y'all watching, everyone behind the computer that is, or the phone or tablet, whatever it is, watching this video knows I am serious about this. I love educating. I love inspiring people. I love talking about, money and finances and business and lifestyle and just helping people and motivating, inspiring, whatever it is. And I actually do want to know, what is it that you get from my videos? Is it the inspiration? Is it the finance? Is it the business? Is it just me? What is it that you get from my videos? And I really do want to know in the comments. So if you could drop that, I really want to know so I can respond and get to know you a little bit better. But without further ado, I will have to go ahead and ask you again to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell, turn on your post notifications, hit that like button, hit that share button, and drop a comment below, and keep on spamming these comments so we can reach such a wide audience all across the world. I will go ahead and see you on the next video. Y'all have an amazing day and stay blessed. Peace out.